Namaste, my name is Pavithra. I am from first year CSE. My startup company name is Deca Venture and my product name is present name is Cooker and product proposed name is Deca Cooker. Empathizing, mentioning the sum of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity, which counts the visual automatically. Cooking pot should be non-stick. Replacement parts should be at reasonable price and easy to get. Define, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Cooker and futuristic product name is Deca Cooker. Ideate, some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Cooker will shut off automatically and to go warm condition. Sensor to count the visual. Make high temperatures as possible so the food takes less time to cook. Fast cooking and energy efficient. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw sketch. The sketch is given below. The Deca Cooker, which is added some features. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.